The 2-minute tech series on data science, and this series I have created just to help you, the people who are relatively new in data science and they want to build their career in data science, and especially for the people who are not aware of, they're coming from a different domain altogether and they see data science from 30,000 feet view, right? And now what we're trying to do is we are trying to answer some common questions. Now the very common question which I get, like what all I should know to become data scientist. Now there are n number of things which you should know before getting into data science. The very first thing is you should be good in the basic maths. So when I say basic maths, I'm talking about the maths which you've studied in 9th and 10th standard. You should be good at it. Now a lot of people say that I have scored very high in mathematics, but you need to stop here because I'm not talking about how to apply the formula on it. I'm talking about to understand the business implementation of that mathematics. For example, why we need vectors in machine learning, why we need matrices. I know matrices, but I don't know why we use matrices in machine learning. Now, apart from that, you should be good at statistics, because statistics is the only language which talks about the data. So that's the part of mathematics which will help you a lot in doing various kind of predictions or various kinds of descriptive or EDA kind of analysis, and it gives you the complete idea about what your data looks like. Then next thing which you can learn is machine learning, and then even then people ask, like, what are the machine learning techniques I should know? So I would say there are like around 10 to 12 machine learning algorithms which are very much popular nowadays, and it's been used widely in the industry. When I go for consulting, I see that a lot of people are using those machine learning algorithms. So they are like regressions. Then in clustering you can use k-means clustering, and then you can use for, like, in supervised machine learning algorithms you can use linear regression for regression. Then you can go for logistic regression. Then you can go for KNN, nearest neighbors. Then you can go for principal component analysis, random forest. Then you can talk about naive Bayes, SVM. And then you can learn the regression part of it, which is like SVM for regression, KNN for regression, and decision tree for regression. Apart from that, you can learn time series and sequential data mining, text mining, and very good part of visualization. So these are the things which you need to know apart from the basic statistics, basic linear algebra, and basic mathematics. If you know this stuff, you're good to go for any kind of job. Right now, what is the plan of attack? What you want to do over a period of time is you can follow me on LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook. You can join my mentorship program for free of cost up to 6 months, wherein we try to answer the queries which you haven't you don't get answer for those queries and you are too hesitant to ask those questions. You can ask any question related to data science. That will be a great help. Or if you think that you're planning to join any session, you can join my weekend live virtual classes for 3 months, which is an extensive program where apart from these 3 months you will get 6 months of mentorship and 3 capstone projects to do that. And we also perform shadowing technique to make you learn about machine learning and statistical business concept. It's very easy to understand the statistical concept, but it's difficult to interpret them in terms of business model and why you need them for business, and what does business implementation of that is. So I will see you probably in the next video, and where we'll talk about something more and some other generic question. If you have any question, feel free to ask me on my chat window. You can DM me on LinkedIn or YouTube, wherever you like, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.